DIY Cream of Tartar, a home cooking adventure.
Hello, and welcome to our home cooking journey. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting topic: how to make cream of tartar from scratch at home. If you've been wondering whether it's possible to produce this useful baking ingredient yourself, you're in for a treat.
What is cream of tartar?
Let's start by understanding what cream of tartar is. Cream of tartar, also known as potassium bitartrate or potassium hydrogen tartrate, is a byproduct of winemaking. It's a white, acidic powder that's often used in baking, especially in recipes that require beaten egg whites, like meringues, or as a leavening agent in combination with baking soda.
Can you make cream of tartar at home?
Here's the hard truth. Unfortunately, you can't make cream of tartar from scratch at home. The reason for this is that cream of tartar is produced from the sediment left in barrels after the process of making grape wine. Unless you're a winemaker with access to this specific byproduct, it's nearly impossible to produce cream of tartar in a home kitchen setting.
What are the alternatives to cream of tartar?
While we can't make cream of tartar at home, there are various substitutes that we can use in baking and cooking that you likely have on hand. Lemon juice or white vinegar. These are the most common substitutes for cream of tartar because they provide a similar acidity. In general, you can replace 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar with 2 teaspoons of lemon juice or vinegar. Baking powder. Baking powder is another good alternative, as it contains cream of tartar along with baking soda. You can use 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder to replace 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Even though we can't make cream of tartar at home, it's always good to know more about the ingredients we use in our kitchens. Also, remember that there are alternatives available when you're in a pinch and out of cream of tartar. Happy baking and see you in our next cooking adventure.